I just made a quick stop at the Mercantino because I have to do a little gardening later. The weather's been hit and miss on this trip, and we've been doing a lot of sightseeing. So I want to take advantage of today and go down and see what's happening with the bridge. I know the road has been closed, so I don't know how close I'm going to get. But I know they've been working on it, so maybe I can try to fly the drone over that. But we'll see how it looks when we get there. We've crossed this road many times in the past, but as the snow is melting, we have some concerns. It has not been updated. It's been raining a little bit the past few days, and it got really cold yesterday, especially, or the day before, and there's a lot of powdering of snow up by the big bench, so I do want to wait a day or so to get back up there. But on Magella, it's covered with snow, and when we got here there was just a little bit, but today there's quite a bit. I'll see if I can get some shots of that. But it's nice to go out and see that this late in the year. It was kind of a little winter at the end of spring here, or beginning of spring. They told us actually it was last week was really warm, felt like summer, but then this week temperatures dropped. So much needed rain came in, and much needed snow on the higher altitudes. Oh yeah, so if you look out front here, there's a lot of new pavement going on. The roads, they've been doing a lot of road work, making it smoother, and some more of the rough spots. See that? Good. It is a little cloudy. I'd say more than a little cloudy by Magella, but you can see the snow back there. Unfortunately, the clouds are blocking most of it, but that's really good for everyone downhill. As spring arrives and summer comes in, all that fresh snow will feed the fields and the green down below. Let's go down the fruit truck. Little doggy. He said, "No speed through my neighborhood." Here's another example of the roads that have been repaved here in Roca. It's really nice. So I don't know if you can see that town way up the road on the hill there. That's Guilmi. And because this bridge is out, to go around, you have to go up to the town there and then come back down the other side. Adds an extra 15 minutes where you're going if you're going in this direction. So that's why this bridge is very vital to this community and the farmers that farm on both sides of it. But it's going to be a really nice sturdy bridge that'll last a long time. I'll try to see if we can get a sneak peek down there. What's going on? I love spring. Look at all the flowers blooming. Useful building. This way, right? Oh, look at that dog sleeping there. Now, I'm not sure at what point the road's going to close here, so I don't know how far I'll be able to sneak by. Not sure this is the right way.
Here to the left.
Yeah, because this is where we used to go, so I guess, wow, they're not even letting me get a little close. It's a 13-minute walk. The road is actually closed. I think they're bringing the construction in from the other side from what I had seen. So it's actually a 13-minute walk. I really don't want to get in anybody's way or trespass. I'm going to go down a little bit just to see what I can find out down there, see if I can see anything. If not, we'll get some eyes in the sky. I think I'll just go around the corner there. So here's an example of a nice little fixer-up, a little elbow grease on this. The fireplace is already there. Just slap a roof on and you'll be good to go. I mean, no worries, no problems whatsoever. Yeah, just stack the rocks back up. Everything's still here. Little elbow grease, little concrete, little mortar. Yeah, good to go. You got a tree coming in. No, I joke. It is sad to see. That was a purposeful building at one point. Who knows, it may be again. I think I'm only going to go this far because it gets pretty steep from here. And to be quite honest, I don't have the legs right now to do it. So that was an update, the best update I can give you of what's going on with the bridge down below. It was pretty obvious they don't want us going down there for, I guess, a safety reason, obviously. But they had mounds of dirt blocking the road, so I didn't want to go down and climb mounds of rocks that were purposely put there for me not to go through. But I took the drone up, and looks like everyone was at lunch, so I wasn't disturbing anybody. But if you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up. I'll keep you updated on what's going on with the bridge as I learn, and I'll share other things with you. Leave your comments down below. We love to hear from you. Subscribe, share it with a friend, and stay tuned for other outings that we have around Abruzzo and around Italy. Thanks for watching.